Hello guys, this is Beauty and Fit. Welcome to where we learn how to make home remedies for our hair growth. Today we have a video for you that you will love. It's a video, maybe you have heard about this, but we will be showing you the simplest way to come up with this rosemary juice. That is what we are making today, the rosemary juice. Here it is where we learn the simplest way to make home remedies for our hair growth. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly consider doing so. Like this video, share and comment. Thank you so much guys, we really appreciate that. Let's go straight to the video on how to make the rosemary water. Today we are making the fresh rosemary water. Remember what we say, that 90% of your selfie, it's your hair. So let's take good care of our hair. Thank you so much. Welcome. So the first, we will be showing you the simplest way to use rosemary for hair growth. And the first step is we will start by washing our rosemary, then we go to the next step. We will also talk about the benefits of rosemary in our hair. So stay tuned, let's do this together. So as we have said, the first step is washing our rosemary, and I would advise you to wash your rosemary with running water. As I am doing, you can wash well as you rinse just here. You observe, wash as you observe your rosemary. When you see it is clean, now you can go ahead to the next step. The next step is drying our rosemary. We don't want it to go with this water, so we will be drying our rosemary. Yes, for the drying of the rosemary, you can use serviettes if you have a serviette, or you can use a dry towel. Whatever you have, that is what you can use. For me, I will be using serviettes. That's what I feel comfortable with me. You dry them properly. You dry them properly. After all our rosemaries are dried, we will be going right ahead to plucking them. We pluck them. So the next step is plucking our rosemary. I will be needing that board and also a jar. So for the plucking of the rosemary, there are people who do it a leaf by one, but I do it a branch. So we will be plucking all this, and as we continue, I would like us to talk about what are the benefits of using rosemary on our hair. So as we pluck our rosemary, let's see what is this that is contained in rosemary that helps our hair to grow. One thing I would like us to know is that rosemary contains usolic acid, which helps in growing our hair. Usolic acid helps in circulation of the blood in the scalp, which promotes the growth of the hair. Rosemary, one of the benefits of rosemary is that it promotes hair growth. The other benefit is that it makes our hair to be stronger. The other benefit is it controls dandruffs. It controls dandruffs, and also it is very good in boosting the circulation of the blood in the scalp, which means when the blood is being circulated well in the scalp, our hair will automatically grow. So another thing I would like to ask also to add there is that rosemary contains vitamin C. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, which we all know that vitamin C promotes hair growth. So rosemary is a great ingredient in growing our hair, a healthy, strong, long hair. So those are the best and the greatest benefits of rosemary on hair. So this is the most simplest method that I'm showing you on how to make rosemary water. Rosemary water, this is what we will be using on our hair to get all those benefits of the rosemary. So after we are done with plucking all our rosemary from the stem, so we will be doing away with the stems because we do not need the stems. All the nutrients that we need for our hair growth is contained in the leaves. And now because we have our leaves here in our jar, so this is what we'll be needing. So the next step will be adding hot water on these rosemary leaves. I would like to mention that there are people who choose to boil their rosemary, there are people who choose to boil their rosemary, and for me I choose adding hot water because I believe boiling the rosemary, especially for a longer time, it kills the nutrients. So to get all the nutrients, for me I choose adding some hot water. So we'll be adding some hot water as you have done. You add some hot water. Yes, so after adding some hot water, we give it some time. So I may cover my rosemary. I cover them so that I may get all the nutrients. So for those people who choose to boil it, it is okay if you choose to boil it, but for me I prefer adding hot water, then giving it some time so that I can get all the nutrients, because some of the times when you boil something you kill the nutrients. So for me I would prefer adding hot water and letting it to settle for some time to cool down. Then I take my rose water. Then after now the rose water is ready, I'll be transferring it into a jar, into another bottle. Then will be ready for application on my hair. It have been 20 hours of making this rose water, so it's time we check how our water is. As you can see, the water is so good. It has even changed the color, so it is ready for use. Our water is ready for use. So what we will be doing next, we will be transferring this water into another jar. We transfer this into another jar. We will be sieving the water, so we need another jar. Then we will be sieving our water into another jar so that now we can start using it on our hair. We will sieve. So now that we don't need the leaves anymore, we will just throw them away. So our water now is ready. As you can see, it has really changed the color. This means that we have gotten all the nutrients that we required from the rosemary, and now our water is ready for use. is ready for use. So let's go ahead. You go ahead and transfer this into a spray bottle, or another, if you have a bottle, the bottle of something that you can be able to apply it well on your hair. So as for me, I use the spray bottle. I'll be requiring this spray bottle. This is what I use for my ingredients, the ingredients that I make here at home. I use this spray bottle. So I will be transferring this water into this spray bottle. So let's transfer the water into our bottle. There we go, we have our water, rosemary water. Now this water is ready for use. It is ready for use. So this is what we will be spraying. We will be spraying on our hair and scalp. So when you make this water, rosemary water, you just spray on the scalp and the hair. Then you can stay with it for about 30 minutes. Then you wash it away. There's people who sleep with it. We take a night with it, then you wash the next day. But that from 30 minutes you are good to go. So this is our rosemary, and that's how we make it. This is the most simplest way of making fresh rosemary water. This one is now good for hair growth. Remember what we said about rosemary, all the benefits. So let's go